Before you let a mechanic talk you into a new transmission for thousands, listen up. Many drivers panic when their car shakes and rush to the garage, ready to spend big. But often, the real culprit is just old dirty transmission fluid. Always check your fluid first. A simple fluid flush can fix the problem and save you a fortune. So grab your tools, and let's get your car running smoothly, without getting ripped off. Ever felt your car vibrate, almost like driving over a rumble strip but the road is smooth? That's torque converter shudder, a brief rhythmic vibration during light acceleration, usually between 30 and 50 miles per hour. It often disappears if you press harder or let off the gas. Unlike an engine misfire, it won't trigger your check engine light. If your car shudders at steady speed with no warning lights, think torque converter, not engine trouble. The fix is often simple and affordable. Don't ignore the signs. To confirm a shudder is coming from the torque converter, you need a real scan tool, not just a basic code reader. A bidirectional scan tool lets you see live transmission data, like TCC slip RPM. Plug it into the OBD2 port, start the car, and navigate to the transmission data stream. Watch the TCC slip RPM as you drive at the speed where you feel the shudder. If the slip RPM bounces instead of dropping to zero, you've found your culprit, the torque converter clutch. If you've confirmed a transmission shudder, it's time to check your fluid. The condition of your ATF tells you a lot. Find the dipstick, usually with a red or yellow handle. Check the level, then look at the fluid's color. Fresh ATF is bright red. Dark, burnt, or gritty fluid means trouble. Change it immediately. Ignoring it risks bigger failures. If your transmission fluid is dark but not full of metal chunks, a full fluid exchange is your best bet to fix that shudder. Before you start, make sure your car is safely supported on jack stands, the parking brake is set, and you're wearing gloves and safety glasses. Gather a drain pan, ratchet, sockets, a new filter, gasket, and the exact fluid your car requires. Check your owner's manual for specs. Start by loosening the pan bolts and carefully lowering the pan. Drain the old fluid completely. Inspect the pan and magnet for debris. A little gray paste is normal, but big metal chunks mean serious damage. Clean the pan thoroughly, replace the filter, and install a new gasket. Reattach the pan securely. Now set up a clear hose on the transmission cooler line and run it to a waste bucket. With a helper, start the engine and slowly add new fluid as the old fluid pumps out. Watch for the fluid to turn bright red. When the fluid runs clean, shut off the engine, reconnect everything, and top off the fluid. Double check for leaks and always use the correct amount of fluid. Avoid overfilling and never reuse old gaskets. Take your time. Rushing can lead to mistakes. With fresh fluid in your transmission, there's one last step before you hit the road. Your car's computer has adapted to the old fluid, so you need to reset its memory. Use a scan tool to find and select Reset Adaptive Values or a similar option in the transmission menu. Follow the prompts to wipe the old habits and let the transmission relearn with the new fluid. If you don't have a scan tool, disconnecting the battery for 30 minutes might help, but it's less reliable. Now, start the car, let it warm up and take it for a gentle test drive. Drive at steady speeds, especially where the shudder used to happen. If all went well, shifts should be smooth and the shudder gone. Congrats, you just saved a bundle. Fixing the shudder is great, but preventing it from coming back is even better. The secret to a long-lasting transmission is regular maintenance. Don't trust lifetime fluid claims. All fluids break down over time, and ignoring them is the fastest way to an expensive failure. Change your transmission fluid and filter regularly, every 50,000 to 60,000 miles for most cars. If you tow, drive in heavy traffic, or live in hot climates, do it every 30,000 miles. Consider a quality transmission additive or shudder fix for extra protection, especially on high-mileage vehicles. Always try a fluid and filter change before any major repair. Often, that's all it takes to cure shudder and keep your transmission happy for the long haul.